guys an update in a while. I don't know what this is gonna look like. It's probably gonna be like a compilation of random clips of my reading week. I never want to go back to school. So I attempted crocheting for the first time last night. I knit. Not professional, like I'm not a professional though at knitting. Like I don't do like crazy knitting projects, but I never crocheted until yesterday, and I wanted to make this Miffy coaster for my friend Andrea because it's her birthday soon. So I was like, okay, I need to learn how to crochet so I can make this for her. So I tried, and there's like a lot of mistakes. One thing is, it's really hard for me to keep count. Like, I don't know, like, yeah, crocheting does feel like different in that sense. Like the counting I just could not keep up with, so I feel like I was making a lot of mistakes when I was increasing. But yeah, this is the coaster done. I basically did the base yesterday, and then I added the face features today because I went to bed really late and I just couldn't do it all in one day. And then this is the other gift I'm giving her. I might have a video up already or not of me making this, but it's a zip pouch and it's with like Willis Pet Shops. Yeah, and then that's the inside. This is really cute. I love this so much. I'm really excited to give her these gifts. And then I have to like also like I have to like get other ones. I don't know what other gifts to get her yet, so I'll probably go to the thrift store and see what reminds me of her. I'm pretty proud of this. I just feel like if I get better at crocheting, I'll look back on it and be like, oh my god, that's terrible. But I feel like it's still cute. It's just I can see like the mistakes I made. But I still love it and I'm really excited about it. I'm proud of myself for like doing this, and I'm also really excited to give it to her because I feel like she's gonna love it. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, I love making gifts and just gifting in general. I love gifting. Yeah, yesterday, I just like rubbed the shit on my face. Yesterday I went to the library with my sister. We got some cooking books. We made or tried making Thai milk tea. We followed the recipe and it was really close to chai. Yeah, we might try a different recipe in the future, but it was really good. It was kind of close to chai, but it was so great. And I made it in my new teapot that my family got me. I have a lot of teapots because I love tea. But yeah, so you guys saw a little snippet of that, and yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to update you guys with. Guys, the flowers are so pretty. I think they're slowly starting to die, but they're still so pretty. I'm obsessed with them. I look at them every day, just, you know, I think Mochi does too. So I don't have too much time. I have to get ready and I have to go to school, but I just changed the water for the flowers, gave them some flower food. Okay, so it looks like I might miss this train. I have to leave for 5 minutes. I haven't had my tea yet or any food, and I feel like I need to have my tea at least, so we'll see what happens. But I did want to show you guys before I leave what I crocheted recently, because a lot of these are gifts and I'm just not really gonna have them all to like together to show you again. None of them are blocked yet, but we have this Miffy coaster, which is for my friend's birthday, this little cat coaster, which is for one of my friends, this one, which is for my sister, and then this doily, which I haven't weaved the ends in. I finished this last night and I just had to go to sleep. I couldn't even, I just want to like have this piece be finalized and just look at it and be like, oh, I did that, and then go to sleep. So yeah, I'm like so excited about all these projects. I didn't expect that I would accomplish these things. So yeah, if anyone does crochet and has any tips on where I can learn to do like good beginner projects, let me know, because I knit, but there's stuff that I feel like maybe like probably there's always a way to knit something that you can crochet, but at times maybe one is more convenient than the other. I don't know. So I just thought, you know, I knit, but I feel like I should crochet too. And these are things that I don't really know if I don't know how to knit these things. I don't know how to do like a circular coaster when knitting, or a doily. If there are tutorials for that, maybe let me know. I should probably look into that too. But I've seen people make doilies with like 4 knitting needles, and I can't. Is there a tutorial with just the 2? Because I can't be doing all that. But anyways, I gotta go. Bye. So I'm just going to miss this train and get the next one. But yeah, let's make tea.